Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sort a pivot table in Google Sheets. This is a really useful skill when you're working with data and need to organize your information in a way that makes more sense for analysis or presentation. Let's walk through this step by step. First, open your browser and head over to workspace.google.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log into your Google account. Make sure you're using the credentials that have access to the spreadsheet you need to work with. After logging in, you'll land on your Workspace dashboard where all your documents are stored. Look through your files and click on the spreadsheet that contains the pivot table you want to sort. This will open the entire sheet in a new window. Now, once your spreadsheet is open, locate the pivot table you want to work with. In my example, I have a sample pivot table already set up. To start sorting it, hover your mouse cursor directly inside the pivot table area. You'll notice a small pencil icon appears underneath the table. Click on that pencil icon, and from the options that appear, select Edit. This action will open up the pivot table editor on the right side of your screen, which is where all the magic happens. In the pivot table editor, you'll see several sections that control how your data is organized. Focus on the section labeled Rows. In my case, I have ID listed under Rows. This is the field we're going to sort today. Directly underneath ID, you'll see a setting called Order. Click on the drop-down menu next to Order, and you'll be presented with two options, ascending or descending. Choose whichever sorting method fits your needs. Ascending will arrange your data from lowest to highest, or A to Z, while descending does the opposite. Right beside the Order option, you'll notice another setting called Sort By. Click the drop-down menu under Sort By to choose which column you want to base your sorting on. In my example, the options include ID and sum of amount. If you select ID, the pivot table will sort based on the ID values in the order you chose earlier, either ascending or descending. If you pick sum of amount instead, it will reorganize the table based on those numerical values. Once you've made your selections, the pivot table will automatically update to reflect the sorting you applied. You don't need to click any Save button. The changes happen in real time as you adjust the settings in the editor. And that's it. You've successfully sorted your pivot table in Google Sheets. This simple adjustment can make your data much easier to read and analyze. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.